Railway Recruitment 2026. Attention aspirants. The Ministry of Railways, Government of India, has released Centralized Employment Notice, CN, No April 2026 for Railway Recruitment 2026. Applications are invited for the posts of Junior Engineer, JE, Depot Materials Superintendent, and Chemical and Metallurgical Assistant. Here are the key details. Opening date for online applications, August 14, 2026, tentative. Last date to apply, September 13, 2026, tentative. Mode of application, online only. Selected candidates will receive pay level, level 6 under the 7th CPC. Initial basic pay, 35,400 Indian rupees per month. Age limit, 18 to 33 years as on January 1, 2027. Approximate vacancies, 4,098 across all railway recruitment boards. Candidates are advised to read the detailed notification carefully, including the prescribed medical standards, before applying. For the official notification and updates, visit the official Railway Recruitment Board website, rrb.indianrailways.gov.in. Beware of touts, brokers, and job racketeers. Apply only through the official online portal. Thank you, and all the best for your Railway Recruitment 2026 preparation.